Alright, so big up on yourself. So it's Richard Brown here again, and if you're here for the first time, remember to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So we have good hope in Negril, and we found out that there is an amazing place, actually a great house, and we're going to just go inside and get a little bit of the architecture and a little bit of the how the whole setup is, probably with the drone and some with the camera. But guess what, I actually tried to get do a little bit of research on Google about the place, but nonetheless the place is amazing and we want to get a bit of it. And we don't know, we're there with we right are curious. So I don't know if you have nothing to say, my boss.
Yeah man, burn it down man. It's a blessed today still, you know. So me assure yourself from that time to this time we've been working. You understand? And if you take per anyone I want, man, look on it, sir. Detail. You know what chop them have a chop to get the thing square, because I chop them chop. It's every is a chop, them chop the stone to make the wall. So you back in the days, the amount of chop that stone, I think you say need. The slave master feel good about it, free of cost. And we're still working now in Jamaica, free of cost, can't get no pay. But we there work still. So this is one of the places them where ancestors them and the foundation people them before we them build the place to the slave master. You understand? So we there go and look pan and look pan the work where they have put in, you know, them blood, sweat and tears, you see it. Over there, I go and enjoy the view still. It's a joy for the there still, you see it, in Jamaica. This is a good hope. You understand? Negril, said we, Westmoreland. You know where you go. Down to the find the 7 mile of white sand. Up here in a hilltop, you see it? Yeah man.
Alright, so as I said before now, this is an old building from back in the days, but we wish government did chip in and see if they can maintain some of it, because at least could I use it as a tourist attraction for bringing some income. We're not 100% sure if it actually is owned by government or it's a private property, but nonetheless we're taking piece of it and we're going to bring you guys along the journey. Alright? Alright, so yeah, so this is our first stop on the tour. I don't know, in my opinion this either is a tank or a pool. What do you think yours?
I don't know really.
You feel like it's a tank though? Like, you don't look like a one? No, no. What
It can
if I
be-
do want tank it I'm deeper?
No, it can be a tank. Yeah, look, you have something to do with something man. You have something to do with some connection, because you have one big old pipe as well. So something that run out tight going into this year. You understand?
And go over there.
Yeah. So it could have been something to do with sugar tea, you know. Then drive country with sugar something. So maybe
But Negril never known to be a sugar plantation.
no plantation in the Negril, but in the out on the road also. You could have refurbished and put just be the proper fence in around it. And have the better
Truck will come up
to come in.
and think about tourism.
Can do even a restaurant up here, upscale restaurant up top and bottom.
Alright, powder here.
I look on the steel, just want to steal. When you see to steal, you never
I don't know modern type of steel
modern type of
because if you
steel.
look on the nail too, you can see it's I don't know modern.
no man,
nail.
long time, because I know you see the man, a long time sitting. Nobody now build stone wall.
Nobody, especially in probably in the 80s.
I'm
Nobody
telling you,
knows.
if you want check if a old history, look for the cutting of them, the arch them. The arch them, not true. I said after everyone I'm going to sit here at time.
Oh, you mean like right back then, slavery time?
Yeah, slavery time, arch them, man. But then
they
they run some tour up one night time.
Eh?
Then they run tour up. Like ask back right. What's the manager up mine?
You know curious? You can see they tile them old too. I don't know, modern day tile them too. I think this can, based upon when I look upon me, I think this can refurbish. Based upon how it look and the condition we're in, can refurbish.
That's what if you know they didn't can refurbish anything.
The razor?
What do you mean?
But you know, I'm curious about if this have no farmer history behind it.
Everyone of them have history behind them because of slavery time.
The razor, not true.
Maybe you don't have enough slave plants or plantation, maybe one of the mistress house.
Not true.
When you have a balcony, if you go look out on the seaside.
And look like at the upstairs and downstairs.
Upstairs and downstairs, yeah man.
Alright, so we just take a look upstairs and we realize that there is no flooring. So it looked like the flooring was all board. And because the building there so long, the board looked like it just rotten out. Or curiosity, I think he said it burned them, so maybe board them get burned out and just left the concrete structure. You see me? You can see it's a concrete structure sturdy, because even though it burned out, it's still intact. So wish we had some farmer historical information where we could say this or that about the building, but we don't know much about it. But I mean, it's a good look same way, a history.
Yes man, it goes to show say the slave them put in a lot of work. Yeah, because you can see the stone wall of them build. Them do a good job. Them work alone stand up, so you see it. So, but them couldn't do it up here so still. If them could get the property in order and plant weed up here, if we want to consider weed and natural things, we just get a whole vibes of the culture. You can come drink some weed tea, burn some weed, whatever, that's the whole vibe, natural. You can't see everything, you have to tree everything, cook some ackee, roast some breadfruit. You understand? That's natural thing with nature.
You're right, like a little natural vibe with
natural
tourists,
camp out, yeah man.
Yeah man, that's true. One little camp out vibe, that's true. Yeah man, for real.
And if you ever decide to do like a dopey show, yeah, so we could do a good horror movie. You understand? Like Wrong Turn or one of them something there.
You're right, you know.
Yeah, man.
Because if you say, oh, we're coming to Negril and make one little wrong turn and end up in a bush, I right type of movie for you, you know.
Yeah, man.
I right vibe, true, man.
So it's a movie place, so we look forward to Jamaica capitalizing the movie world because Jamaica are full of actors, not knowing they're acting, but they've been born for them to act. For them born, them to act. Because they have to act to survive in Jamaica and say everything's okay. Let me say it's okay, but you know.